Mina baba i-advice ebengicela ukuyiphuza kuwe.
Okay.
Ubaba wami wayenebhizinisi kwakuyelasekhaya. Siyahamba emhlabeni laseliyafa-ke ngoba abantu ayebabhekile ukuthi bazolinakekela bahluleke ukulinakekela. Manje mina sekuhlala isikhathi eside enhlizweni yami lokho ukuthi ngingakwazi yini ukuthi mina ngilivuse noma ngingakwazi ukuthi ngiqale phansi.
Uyalithanda leli business ade elenza yena?
Kakhulu baba.
All right, benza yini?
Ube-installa ama-pumps and tanks.
Okay.
Ema-garage.
All right.
Benza ama-excavations.
Okay.
Benza ne-plumbing.
All right.
Even though ngangingekho dead hands on.
Okay.
But ngangihleza nami ngikhona.
All right.
And into engangiyibuka ngathi i-challenge kuyena. Kwakuhlala ihlaqima ama-audit. Yabo isikhathi esiningi bezom-audita bezo-check ukuthi lihamba kanjani ibhizinisi lakhe, but akazi noma ngihlambe sengikhulile manje ngaleso sikhathi nganga-understand. But ngapho ukuthi kade ngibuka manje ukuthi I guess he was doing well ngoba abantu ababeyi-competition kuyena kakhulu kwakwamabhunu. So befuna ukwazi ukuthi uliphusha kanjani. So ngathi mhlawumbe khona ngaleli business ngisakhula nje ngika-understand. Now sengiyabuka ukuthi no wenza ibhizinisi elali right.
Akune-short course okumele uyenze. Yeah, kune-short course okumele uyenze. Angeke uliqale, angeke ulenze ungazange uyenze le short course. Yeah. Because there is a lot of things that are involved. Mawukhuluma about to install ama-pumps and also cleanings of tanks, all those stuff. There's a lot of things that you need ukuthi kudinga ukuthi uthole isikole kancane. Yeah, i-desk nje lihle.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Then after that, bese usebenza under someone.
Okay.
Voluntary owenza the very same business.
SK Nxumalo.
Okay.
Imbuzo mbili. Ngicela ukubuza ukuthi uthini uNkulunkulu ngesimo sobudlelwano buka President Donald Trump no Elon Musk okubonakala bungasebuhle, kunamthelela muni lokho ku South Africa njengoba uPresident wethu kade engakhona e-US to meet with them?
Kunomthelela omningi kakhulu to us as South Africans. Kunomthelela omningi kakhulu to business people. Remember what is happening into our country. Kahle ku affect amathiwa i-America ikhatha amaqhama okuxhumana ne-South Africa. Abantu ababa more frustrated, abantu abakwi-business ye-exchange. Labantu ababe accompanied the president and also ilabantu abaphethe imali bala eSouth Africa. Remember ukuthi mabefika that side iyothi into abayifunayo it's a Starlink. The business ye-Starlink for Starlink to come here in South Africa is over one of a network, a very fast yala eMzansi. The fight between the two, it's about money. It's about money and the deals. Yet it will affect South Africa, but on the terms of a business side. You understand? Yeah.
Bengisacela bangisiza lana noma angiphi advice ukuthi ngingenza kanjani ngibe nokungazwani nobrother wami. Manje bengicela ubaba ngisiza ngiphi advice ukuthi ngingenza kanjani ukuze kube khona ukuzwana nokubonisana kahle. Nokuthi okunye nginenkinga yenhliziyo ebukhuni esayidini lomndeni kababa wami. Manje bengicela baba ngisiza ukuthi ngingenza kanjani ukuthi ngikwazi ukudlula into ezimbi ezenzakalile ngoba ngiyabona ngathi sebekhohliwe bona kanti mina ngivuma ngikhohle.
All right. You need Holy Spirit, my daughter.
Yeah.
And udinga isandla sikamoya ngcwele very urgent now. DinguNkulunkulu.
Yeah.
La ubambeke khona kuumusa ukuthi wena uyakwazi ukudiscover ukuthi ubambeke khona. Musa. sithandaza endleleni, sihlabelele, sibambekile emagqobini, sibambeke ebunzimeni benzondo, sibambekile kungadluli nentweni. But umoya ongcwele uyena yedwa ozokulekelela. I am going to pray for you. And uNkulunkulu uzoba nawe. uNkulunkulu ozokulekelela ukufunda ukudlula entweni ezenziwe kuwena. Umke waxolela my daughter, wafunda ukuxolela, usuke uzenzela wena ifavor, usuke uzisiza wena, uzithule wena umthwalo, ubulinyaziwe. Umuntu okulimazile uthola ukuthi akanasikhathi, kodwa wena uzenzela ifavor wena, spiritual and physical. uNkulunkulu phela ozokulekelela ukungenelela on that.